latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The pandemic has changed everyone's life. While most of us are fortunate enough for at least having basic necessities like food, water and shelter during this tough time, there are many out there who are seeing the worst days of their life, yearning for each meal. At times like this, many have come forward to help the needy, so have our actors. But the one who has been selflessly donating and helping people is Bollywood's Khiladi Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar has been making headlines for a long time now. The actor is once again in the limelight for his good work. Akki donated 45 lakh rupees to the Cine and TV Artists Association, also known as Sinta. The actor donated 45 lakh rupees, which helped 1,500 daily wagers of the film industry. Sinta's Joint Secretary Amit Bahal confirmed the news to the media portal. Akshay Kumar extended financial help of rupees 45 lakhs to Sinta. We have deposited rupees 3,000 each in the account of 1,500 artists and workers associated with Sinta. Sinta had communicated about the financial crisis of the artists and workers amid the lockdown to Sajid Nadiadwala, who informed Akshay about the same. Members of Sinta took this issue to the one of the famous producers, Sajid Nadiadwala, who apparently informed about the same to Akshay Kumar, and in no time, the actor helped the workers. An amount of 3,000 rupees was transferred directly to the accounts of 1,500 workers. This is not the first time that the actor has extended help. A month ago, Akshay Kumar had garnered attention for donating a whopping amount of 25 crore rupees to the PM Cares Fund, which the Prime Minister himself acknowledged and thanked him for. While people thought that was it, the actor, to surprise of many, donated 3 crore rupees to BMC for buying personal safety equipment for frontline workers. It wasn't over yet. He yet again donated 2 crore rupees to Mumbai Police after he learned officers are losing lives due to the lack of protective gear. Apart from donating 2 crore rupees, the actor also donated 1,000 wristbands to Mumbai Police, which helps them track temperature, heartbeat, blood pressure and much more. And now, donating another 45 lakh rupees to help the daily wagers and people associated with Sinta have been attracting praises for the actor. Apart from financial aid, the actor also keeps sharing awareness messages among his fans. The actor has time and again released several videos asking people with folded hands not to get out of their homes unnecessarily. Not just that, but he also keeps motivating and thanking the frontline workers. Akki recently released a modified version of his song Teri Mitti from the film Kesari. The song was about the sacrifice of healthcare workers and frontline workers. He even called doctors angels in white. On the work front, Akshay Kumar has 2 big ticket releases in his kitty. Rohit Shetty's Suryavanshi and Raghav Lawrence's Lakshmi Bomb, both were all set to release before the pandemic hit the country. No announcements have been made about any updates on the releases of his films.